Hello again. Today, you're going to learn how to get everyone talking about math by making your own number talk image. It's helpful to think out of the box today. Here are some supplies I gathered to demonstrate this process to you. Everything here isn't specifically about math, but it certainly can be. Intriguing materials that can be compared, arranged, counted, and measured make an excellent number talk image. Here is my first example. This simple handful of coins can make a good solid number talk image. I'm going to arrange it so that it's easier for you to see, and there. Now I'm going to ask you the two most important questions that are asked in every number talk. What do you notice? And what do you wonder? Pause the video and give it some thought. When discussing number talk images, it's always fun to come up with as many interesting noticings as possible. For example, you might have noticed the names of the coins, how many coins you are seeing. You might have noticed the total value of each type of coin in the collection, or that the quarter and the 5 nickels have an equivalent value. You might have noticed the total of the entire collection, or even the relative size of the coins. Or how about this one? The fact that 4 dimes is more than 5 nickels, specifically 15 cents more. Now, a couple of my wonderings are, why are dimes so small even though they are worth more than nickels? Don't you find that weird? And why, when the beaver is so important to Canadian history, did they put it on the coin with the least value? And finally, I wonder what you are wondering about, of course. This Lego also makes a good number talk image. It can be counted, measured, compared, added, multiplied, and arranged. That means there'll be a lot to talk about. What do you notice and wonder? I think at this point, it's a good idea for you to start thinking about what might make a good number talk image. I put these sticks down here and this ruler thinking it might be a good idea. Do you think there's enough to discuss here? Remember that a good number talk image will be intriguing and can be interpreted in a lot of interesting ways. Now, I thought these measuring spoons here were potentially intriguing. What's your opinion? Do you think that all these measuring spoons filled with rice make an interesting number talk? Is there enough to discuss here? So now, it's your turn. You get to create your own number talk image. Remember that for this task, you're going to have to think out of the box and gather some materials that might be interesting to count, to measure, maybe add, subtract, compare, you name it. Record a small video or snap a photo to share with your class to see what they notice and wonder. And above all, have fun.